So students, so what we will be studying, that is about awards you may have received in your school. So when you receive award, you feel motivated, right? You feel motivated. So awards are given to promote and what? Promote, to recognize, isn't it? To recognize what you have done. Yes, you have done good. If they give you, it will be promoted, right? So other people also do the same thing, like good things. Awards is given when you do good, or when you do something outstanding, extra, like that, isn't it? So you may have received in your school for sports, or for some other academic activities, or some cultural activities, or extracurricular activities, isn't it? So awards are given to the recipients as a token of honor and recognition of excellence in certain field, right? Like that. So token of honor, honor means that is, you have done something good, you have done something that is important, right? So that we are honoring you, we are respecting you. Honor means that is the recognition, respect. Okay. In India, government recognize awards mainly two categories are there: civilian awards and gallantry awards. Gallantry is military awards. In the military, people will be serving, yes, in the officer rank, in the Sainik ranks, right? So those people will give their life to the nation, and they provide also service. So for that recognition, they give awards in the military. That is gallantry awards. So there are different international awards also. You may have seen, heard of Nobel Prize, isn't it? Nobel Prize you may have heard of. And there are so many different awards. So let us see some of the important ones. So Indian awards, there are two types, right? First is civilian. Civil means people, normal people, right? So what is, which award is given to the normal people? Civilian awards. And gallantry award is for the military people, okay, who joins military. Different three services are there, right? And also that is, and army, navy, and what? Yes, air force. So that military people will be given this. So which are the civilian, that is for the normal people, right? So first is Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is the highest, right? So that is the highest, first rank, highest rank, right? So first Padma Shri will be given, then second will be Padma Vibhushan, third will be Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, fourth is the highest, that is Bharat Ratna, highest. Okay. Yes. So Bharat Ratna, Ratna means, Ratna means diamond, right? So you are a diamond of India, like that, right? Bharat Ratna. Yes. So which are the military awards? Shaurya Chakra first, then Kirti Chakra, Ashok Chakra, and Veer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, and sixth is Param Veer Chakra. Param Veer is the highest. Okay. Remember, will you remember that? So which is the highest in civilian awards? Yes.
Bharat Ratna.
Bharat
Which is
Ratna.
the
Bharat
highest
Ratna.
rank?
Yes. And which is the highest in military awards?
Paramveer
Paramveer.
Chakra.
Paramveer Chakra. Okay, good. Yes. Will you remember all this? So let us see. So civilian awards, Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award, right? If you receive this, you will be in the what? Top position. That is, very less recipients are there. Generally, people will be given Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan. Bharat Ratna is given to very outstanding people, right? Yes. So that is there. Hmm. Next is, it was started giving in which year? 19 1954. Okay, so Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award. Remember this, no need to remember when it was started, they will not ask. The award is given in the recognition of exceptional service of the highest order. That is the highest rank, means we have to do the highest, very important work, very good, which is very helpful for India, right, or the society. Okay, the recommendation of the awards are made by the Prime Minister of India to the President. So who nominates the award? Yes, who nominates the people to the award? Prime Minister, PM. Okay, so PM of India gives this, that is nominates this award. So first recipient of the awards were, who were the first recipient of the award? Yes,
Sri Gopalachari, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and C.V. Raman.
yes. So here this award first was given to last Governor General of India. That is before British, when British rule was there, it was Governor General used to be the main head of the country, right? So that is last Governor General when we got independence during that time. So who was the Governor General? C. Rajagopalachari, he was given. And President, second President, who was the second President? Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was given. And Nobel Prize laureate, who won the Nobel Prize in the physics? C.V. Raman, you may have heard of, yes, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
C.V. Raman. So these three people were given first Bharat Ratna. Okay, when in the year 1954, that is, it started in that year only. Okay, okay, good. So the award is, how is the award designed and all, you don't need to know. Okay, fine. So this is also not required, this will be very extra. Last Bharat Ratna was given in 2019 to the Pranab Mukherjee and Nanaji Deshmukh and Bhupen Hazarika. Okay, so now presently who was the recipient? So that was in the past. Now presently who got the 2024? So who are the people? Karpuri Thakur, Lal Krishna Advani, you may have heard of. He is a political leader from BJP, right? Yes. So M.S. Swaminathan, the, who is M.S. Swaminathan? Do you know? Yes.
Yes, sir. I have
Yes.
heard of Green Revolution.
Yes. So M.S. Swaminathan was the father of Green Revolution. He was a politician, member of Rajya Sabha. Okay, he was politician, but
Father of Green Revolution is Varghese Kurenci.
M.S. Swaminathan beta. Okay, yes, understand? He is the in
No,
India.
sir. Green Revolution.
Green Revolution, yes. M.S. Swaminathan is the person. Okay, Green Revolution only. Okay, so that is why, because that is Green Revolution means the seeds, growth of seeds and food grains and all, food grains. So he introduced different varieties and all. Okay, so that is why he is given, because he has done commendable work in food, right, food items and all, that is grains mainly. Okay, so Chaudhary Charan Singh and P.V. Narasimha Rao, so these people have got, so we will little bit know about them and then you can remember easily. So Kapuri Thakur is there, right? Kapuri Thakur was Chief Minister of which state? Bihar. Okay, so that is, he was known as Jan Nayak, means people used to admire him so much, so that is why he was given. Okay, so next is Lal Krishna Advani. He was the first Home Minister, right? Home Minister and the Deputy Minister of whom? Atal Bihari Vajpayee government. Okay, understand? So he is given for his exceptional service for the country. Okay, and M.S. Swaminathan is what? Father of Green revolution. Okay, so all the food varieties, different plants and all, he introduced so many things in the 90s. That is when, okay, Chaudhary Charan Singh is what, dedicated life to welfare of farmers. So he helped the farmers and he stood against emergency. You may have heard in 1975 there was emergency. So that is all over the country, that was the rule, right? So he fought against that, right? So that is why he was given, and his dedication to our farmers, brothers and sisters, inspiring. Okay, so PV Narasimha Rao, have you heard of PV Narasimha Rao? He was the PM, right? He was the Prime Minister, PM, during what, 1990s. So he started the economic reform. Before, our economy was not like this, means our country was not like this, right? For everything, whatever you want to do, if you want to open the shop also, you have to take license, right? What you have to take? You have to take license. Everything was license raj. They used to say license raj. Everything, whatever you need license. That is controlled by government, everything. That was very difficult, right? People, if you want to open shop also, you have to take a license, means it will be corruption and all so much. So that is why government abolished that, that is removed the license raj, and then they opened the country for others to come and set up the business. Anyone can set up the business outside, that is foreign companies and all. Then foreign companies came. That is why we see so many companies now in India also. Big MNCs are there, right? Yes. Okay, so remember this, they may ask. Okay, so mainly you can remember MS Swaminathan and then PV Narasimha Rao. Okay, so they may ask this. Okay, these are very important, so you have to remember all, but these two mainly. Okay, got it? So Padma Awards, which is the next. Yes, Padma Awards. In the Padma Awards, there are how many Padma Awards? 3 Padma Awards: Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan. Yes. Okay, so Padma Awards, which are the Padma Awards? So this is the next rank after the Bharat Ratna, that is starting ranks. Okay, so in the field and service, that is for exceptional work only. Okay, Padma Awards started in same year 1954 only. So awards every year, these Padma Awards are given every year, but Bharat Ratna is not like that. Okay, Bharat Ratna is given very rarely. Okay, if someone has done something very important, then only Bharat Ratna is given. Okay, not every year, but Padma Shri awards are given every year. Okay, so the awards are given in 3 categories: Padma Vibhushan and Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri, right? So that is, first will be actually Padma Shri. You don't have to read like that, so it will be easy. First is Padma, which is the award first. Yes, Padma Shri. After that will be Padma Bhushan and then Padma Vibhushan. Okay, these are the 3 awards. Yes, understood? Okay, so here next, Padma Vibhushan is the second highest civilian award after Bharat Ratna. Okay, second highest, and Padma Bhushan is the third, Padma Shri is the starting, that is the 4th highest. Okay, award in India. Okay, so next is military awards. Which are the military awards? That is the gallantry awards, we say, right? Yes. So gallantry, that is military awards for the bravery or valor, right? So acts of bravery and valor, if the officers and different Sainiks have done exceptional service, they will be given military awards. Okay, you may have seen during the war, during the war what will happen, the soldiers have to fight, isn't it? So in that recognition they will be given awards like that. Okay, so which are the different awards here? hmm? So wartime gallantry award, that is Paramvira Chakra. Okay, so Paramvir Chakra is given only when there is war. Okay, so war time it is Paramvir Chakra is given. Veera Chakra, you have seen Veera. Veera means, that is Veera Shura, right? That is Veera means he is brave. Okay, like that. So Paramvir Chakra. Okay, so it is the highest wartime award. This Paramvir Chakra is given only during wartime. During wartime means when, if any war is fought, then who the people recognized are given the war award. Okay, so they will not be given during normal time. Understand? So during war time only. So these are the awards: Paramvir Chakra, Mahavir Chakra and Veer Chakra. So Veer, all the Veer are there, right? Awards, those are all what? They are all wartime awards. Okay, Paramvir Chakra, Mahavir Chakra and Veer Chakra. These are the three. Yes, Paramvir Chakra, Mahavir Chakra and Veer Chakra. You may have seen the awards on the military dresses, right? The generals, the brigadiers will wear on their chest, isn't it? So you may have seen,
Yes,
these
sir.
will be the awards. Yes, they will showcase their awards, right? That is the recognition on the uniform, right? Yes, on the uniform they showcase here. They will be, it will be here on the chest, right? They will put it here, isn't it? Yes, on the chest, on the dress. So that is shows their award, how many awards they have. Okay, yes. Okay, so that is, you don't have to remember when it was established, they will not ask. Okay. So this is the Paramvir Chakra is the highest during war time. These three are war time. Okay, and these are peace time, means when there is no war, but they have done something important to the country, right? That is the service in the military. Okay, so which are the peacetime awards? Tell me. Ashoka Chakra, Kirti Chakra and Shaurya Chakra. Yes. So which are the three peacetime awards? Tell me. Yes. Yes, Ashoka Chakra. Yes, tell me. And Shaurya Chakra. Okay, so okay, good. So highest military award is Paramvir Chakra, that is given only during war time. Okay, war time. Understand? So what is the highest peacetime award? Yes, Ashoka Chakra. Okay. Ashoka Chakra is the highest peacetime award. Okay. So we'll see here. So that is Paramvir Chakra, that is when there is war with the enemy, right? So Somnath Sharma was the first person to receive the award. Who was the first person? Somnath Sharma. Okay, so then this is the third and all, it is not required. Next is Ashoka Chakra. Ashoka Chakra is the highest peacetime award, that is, I told you. So these awards are biannual. Biannual means, bi means two, annual means year. Two, biannual means 2 times in a year. Okay, yes, they are given 2 times, when Republic Day and Independence Day, during these 2 times. Okay. So Kirti Chakra is the, there is peacetime award, and then Shaurya Chakra is also peacetime awards. Okay. So next is other awards we have to study. Which are the other awards? National Sports Awards. Sports people will be given this. Yes. Have you heard of? Yes, that is different awards given to the sports people. Hmm? Okay, we'll see that. So these awards are given to sports persons. So which is the first one? Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna. Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna. So who was Dhyanchand? Yes, he was the, tell me. Yes, Dhyanchand was hockey player. Okay, so during his time, India won so many gold medals in Olympics. Okay, he was the exceptional player in the hockey. Okay, yes, he is major. Major means he was in military. He was in military and he started playing. Okay, he was in military, Sainik. Okay, that is the soldier. He was soldier. Hmm? Uh, so Khel Ratna, Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award. Yes. Okay. So Major Dhyanchand Award is given in the sports. Only remember that much. You don't need to remember when it was established, what it was known. Okay. No need to remember this. Huh? So it was annually, means yearly once it is given. Okay. And the award since August is named after Dhyanchand in the field of hockey player. Okay, who was the greatest field hockey player of all time? Right, Major Dhyanchand was the hockey player. I told you, right? So no need to remember this. Hmm? Okay. So the first recipient of the award is, who is the first recipient? Vishwanathan Anand. Have you heard of Vishwanathan Anand? Yes. Vishwanathan Anand is a chess player. Okay, he was the grandmaster, first grandmaster from India, right? Yes, he was the first grandmaster from India in the chess. So he was given the first award. That is which award? First, before it was Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. Now it is known as Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna. Okay, fine. So in which year? That is 1991 and 92 year. So in 2001, Abhinav Bindra became the youngest recipient of the award. Have you heard of Abhinav Bindra? Yes, he was the what? Olympic gold winner of the shooting competition, isn't it? Yes, Abhinav Bindra is the person who won award in the Olympics in the shooting competition. Okay, so in that recognition he has given that. Okay, next Karnam Malleshwari was the first woman to receive the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna for weightlifting. Okay, for which? For weight lifting. So remember this, these are important. Okay, so first person to receive that is Khel Ratna was, yes, that is Vishwanathan Anand chess. Okay, and who was the youngest? Who is the youngest? Abhinav Bindra at the age of just 18 years. At the age of 18 years he got the Khel Ratna award, right? That is the highest sports award. See how much he has contributed, right? Next is first lady is Karnam Malleshwari. She was a weightlifter. Okay, yes. So it is time. Should we stop or should we continue this? I think we will finish this one. Okay. We will finish after this and stop. Yes, we will finish and this and stop. Arjuna awards. Next is given. Second highest is sports is Arjuna award. So Arjuna award, officially known as Arjuna award for outstanding performance in the sports and games. Okay. So this is the highest after the Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna. Okay. So award is named after Arjuna. You know who is Arjuna? The character of Mahabharata, right? Yes, in the Mahabharata
Yes, sir.
Arjuna character will come. Okay, so Arjuna was famous for what? His exceptional knowledge about archery. Yes,
Bow and arrow.
yes, bow and arrow, archery. Yes, so he was exceptional in that. He was the nipuna, isn't it? Nipuna means the best. So that is why on his name it is given. Okay, so it is given also annually by the government. Okay, good. So what are the other national sports awards? Dhyanchand award, okay, and Dronacharya award, right, and Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad trophy and Rashtriya Khel Protsaham Puraskar. So these are the other awards for the sports. Okay, so everyone remember these points. Yes, will you remember? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.